Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video I will share with you how to add an Instagram feed in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to add an Instagram feed on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add Instagram in it, it's simple. Just click on add section and scroll down to Instagram feed, click on it. Here select the Instagram field template. Let's go with this third one, and just after clicking the template you will see the Instagram feed added here. Now select the feed, click on edit feed. Here click on connect Instagram. This Instagram login pop-up or login window will pop up. Here fill in your phone number, your Instagram phone number, username or email, then your password, and hit login. After that you will give access to Hostinger to get your Instagram feed or images, and after that you will start seeing your Instagram photos here. It's pretty much simple, don't worry. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. It's pretty much simple, don't worry. After that you can also edit the number of items or photos to show in your feed. You can also edit the layout, for example the items per row and also the gap between photos, and you can add an animation to this Instagram feed. This is a slide animation, this is a fade, and this is the scale animation. After connecting your Instagram account, then editing the layout or the animation, don't forget to hit this update website button. Now let's view my website live, and this is how the Instagram feed will look like. And this is how to add an Instagram feed in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.